Hello my friends, welcome to a nice sunny day, a bit breezy, the 29th of March 2021. Doing another job here just to keep my head sane. This bungalow was built in 1935 or 1936, and as you can see down there, that's the original footpath that was there. We never replaced it, but I'm replacing it now, and I'm after smashing up the footpath with a sledgehammer. I know I should have got a Kango or something, but my brother has the Kango, right? And my car is in getting a service, so I'm too impatient to wait. So I'm smashing this out now with the Sledge, and I'm going to put a whole new footpath the whole way down along the front of the house here. So that's what I'm at. You see, smashing it all out, all the rubble. So stay tuned. I'll be back for more, for preparing it for the concrete. So stay tuned. Well, it's another beautiful day here in Ireland, the 2nd of April 2021, and I'm just preparing the footpath here for concrete. I'm just going to put some screeds down here and get my levels and get ready for pouring the concrete. Right, I've got this mixer here to help me along, but I've no stand for the mixer. But I suppose beggars can't be choosers, right? And it's a lot easier than mixing it by the shovel. So I'm going to start this my first mix now. Well, it's Easter Sunday here in Ireland. Lovely sunny day, not a cloud in the sky. And I'm just walking here on the footpath in the front of the house. I've no Kango, so I'm just smashing up the driveway here with the pathway with a sledgehammer, which is pretty okay because, believe it or believe it not, the footpath is only about 1.5 inches in thickness. Very surprised that it has lasted this long. I think around 1935 or 1936. So yeah, so this is another section almost ready now for concrete. So that's what I'm doing on Easter Sunday here in Ireland in the middle of a pandemic. Look at me hair. It's driving me crazy. Look, haven't got a cut this before Christmas. I'm going to try and get one of my sisters to cut my hair if I can. I don't care how it turns out, I just want to cut. Anyway, I'll sign in again when I'm finished the footpath on the front of the house. Take care, bye. Enjoy your Easter Sunday, people. Well, hello, my friends. It's the 12th of June, Saturday the 12th of June. So it's almost 2 months later, and the footpath is finished. The reason why I've left the video this long is because I didn't get to video the completion because I was putting the video clips into a video folder, and by mistake I deleted the videos. So I was panicking over it, thought they were gone forever, and I rang this computer place in town and I got them recovered for €50. Cost me €50 to get the files recovered. So the video that you're seeing of me doing the footpath was those files, and yeah, so I'll just show you here now the whole thing finished, the footpath finished. So it was all this here. So I came down to here, this is the front of the house here now. So I've done all along here. See me roses, aren't they lovely? Gorgeous. The plants here. So all this is new. And then I was only going to do the front of the house here, but I had enough money to go down the side of the main driveway here, so I'll show you that as well here. You see? So it just cleans up the whole place. So yeah, I'm delighted with it actually, the new footpaths around the house. So that's it, my friends. Stay tuned, and I don't know what the next video is going to be as usual, but stay tuned and I'll catch us all again later. Take care, bye.